welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of sea animals. From the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious depths of the ocean, we'll explore the incredible diversity of marine life. Fish are animals that live in water, have gills to breathe, fins to swim, and scales covering their bodies. Clownfish, known for their vibrant colors and symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. Sharks, apex predators with a keen sense of smell and powerful jaws. Next is marine mammals. Are warm-blooded, have lungs for breathing air, and most have a layer of blubber for insulation. Whales, the largest animals on Earth, with species like the blue whale and humpback whale. Dolphins, intelligent and social animals known for their playful behavior. Seals, adapted to life in the water with streamlined bodies and flippers. Invertebrates, these animals lack a backbone and come in various forms. Octopus, known for their intelligence, ability to camouflage, and having 8 arms. Jellyfish, simple organisms with a gelatinous body and tentacles that can sting. Starfish, echinoderms with a star-shaped body and the ability to regenerate lost limbs. Crustaceans are a diverse group of arthropods with hard exoskeletons. Crabs, known for their sideways walk and powerful claws. Lobsters, famous for their long antennae and large claws, often considered a delicacy. Shrimp, small versatile creatures that are both a food source for many marine animals and humans. Mollusks have soft bodies, and many have a hard shell for protection. Squid related to octopuses, known for their speed and ability to squirt ink. Clams, bivalves with 2 shells hinged together, often found buried in sand. Snails. Marine snails, or sea snails, have a coiled shell and are found in various habitats from intertidal zones to deep ocean floors. Coral and sponges. Although that they might look like plants, corals and sponges are animals. Coral marine invertebrates that build large, colorful reefs providing habitat for many marine species. Sponges, simple organisms that filter water to feed and are found attached to underwater surfaces. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of life in the oceans. Each group of sea creatures has unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their specific habitats. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the incredible world of sea animals with us. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more adventures, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.